Number 1. 1988 Ford F250, price $6,500, powered by the original factory fuel-injected 460 V8 engine. It delivers strong and reliable performance. The truck is equipped with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering smooth and dependable shifting on the road. Finished in a clean white exterior with a contrasting red interior, this F250 features power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and a functioning air conditioning system that has been converted to use modern R134A refrigerant. Additional performance upgrades include Banks headers and a BBK throttle body, enhancing both airflow and engine response. It also comes equipped with a 2-inch receiver hitch and has been wired for trailer brakes, making it ready for towing duties. The tires and brakes show minimal wear, and the oil has been changed regularly. This truck has always been garage kept and comes with a large collection of service records and receipts. Number 2. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives excellently, with no mechanical issues, no check engine or service lights, and a strong, healthy drivetrain. The engine and transmission are both in great condition, delivering reliable performance every time. Finished in a rich brown exterior with a matching brown interior, the truck is in exceptional shape inside and out. The body is flawless, with no dents or damage, and it has never been involved in an accident. The interior is equally impressive, clean, smoke-free, with no rips or tears in the upholstery. All power features work perfectly, including the power windows and power door locks. The truck has always been well cared for, with regular oil changes and no signs of abuse. It's equipped with a tow hitch, and the tires are in good condition, making it ready for both daily use and weekend tasks. Number 3. 1990 GMC Sierra 2500, price $6,900. It features a powerful 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, making it ideal for both daily use and tougher jobs. The truck has 173,000 miles on it and has always received regular maintenance, ensuring reliable performance with no leaks. With its regular cab and long bed configuration, the Sierra offers plenty of utility. The red exterior and matching red interior give it a bold, classic look. The body is straight and accident-free, showing that it's been well cared for over the years. The truck also comes equipped with a tow package and a rear gun rack, adding to its practicality. The tires and brakes are in good condition, contributing to a smooth and confident driving experience. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1976 Nissan Regular Cab, price $7,500, finished in a bold red exterior with a clean black interior. It runs and drives well, powered by an L20B engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Interestingly, it features a 1600 valve cover perfect for throwing off the competition. The truck includes several valuable upgrades, a brand new dash, a carpet kit, and JDM floor pans and rockers. It sits low with a 5/4 drop, giving it that classic mini truck stance and feel. The tires are a matching set and still in great condition. The brakes are functional, although they pull slightly and may need a quick inspection. This Nissan comes with permanent plates, meaning registration is a one-time task. The title is clean and registered in the current owner's name, making it a hassle-free addition for any enthusiast. Number 5. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, second-owner vehicle with only 81,000 original miles on its V8 engine. It features an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with power seats and heated seats, providing extra comfort for both the driver and passengers. The air conditioning and heat systems function perfectly and also circulate air to the back seat, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. The Sierra comes with a third door for easy access, AM/FM radio with CD player, and a rear-view mirror that displays the outside temperature, adding a modern touch to its classic design. It rides on good tires, starts up easily, and runs and drives great with no known issues. The title is in hand, making the transaction smooth and straightforward. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, well-maintained classic truck with only 80,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior. With just 2 owners throughout its life, including the current one, it's clear this vehicle has been cared for with dedication. Over $10,000 has been invested into keeping it reliable and roadworthy as a daily driver. Most of the engine components have been replaced with new parts, ensuring it starts up every time and runs smoothly. While it does have a minor oil leak from the gaskets, that's the only issue reported. Overall, this Chevy 2500 stands out as a dependable and solid vintage truck, ready for the road. Number 7. 1972 Dodge D250, price $6,000. This pickup is a solid classic truck that comes with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. Featuring a striking yellow exterior paired with a black interior, it presents well for its age and is in clean condition overall. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine and includes a lot of new parts, making it ready to run and drive without issue. In addition to the main truck, the sale also includes a parts truck loaded with many usable and even brand new components, perfect for someone looking to maintain or restore this vintage vehicle further. The current owner simply has too many classic projects lined up and needs to let this one go. Number 8. 1988 Dodge W150, price $6,500, powered by a fuel-injected 318 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a high/low range 4x4 system. This truck is both tough and reliable. The exterior is finished in a bold yellow, complemented by a tan interior, giving it a distinct vintage charm. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with newer off-road tires that have been siped for improved traction in snow and ice, making it ideal for all-season use. Additional features include newer drive belts, a clean air filter, and regular servicing history. Utility upgrades such as a ProTech toolbox, a headache rack, and a heavy-duty thick rubber bed liner enhance its functionality for work or recreation. Number 9. 1977 Ford F150, price $7,500. It's powered by the original bulletproof 300 CI 6-cylinder engine, which runs strong thanks to a new battery. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and floor-shifted 4WD, it's built for reliability and performance. Key features include a 9-Ford rear end, Dana front differential, Warn locking hubs, power steering and brakes, dual fuel tanks, good tires, and solid glass. While it has no AC, the heater and defrost work well. It also features a Holley 390 CFM 4-barrel carburetor with an Offenhauser intake manifold. Recent updates include a new coil, cap, rotor, wires, fuel filter, and exhaust, making this F-150 ready to drive and enjoy. Number 10. 1982 Ford F250, price $3,450. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, this classic pickup is powered by a 4.9L inline-6 engine equipped with an Offenhauser dual-port intake and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. It starts right up, runs smoothly, and idles well. The truck features a manual transmission, specifically a 4-speed with a 5:1 granny low gear, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks or slow-speed crawling. Though the bed is currently rotten, it is still savable with some work. The frame has surface rust, but there is no major rot outside of the bed floor. It also comes with collector's plates and features factory floor vents, adding a nostalgic touch to its character.